Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your account on the Free Fire game with your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already installed the Free Fire game, go ahead and open it up. And once it is fully loaded, you will be asked to sign in with your Facebook or other accounts if you used other accounts to create your Free Fire game account. Now in order to sign in with Facebook, go ahead and tap on Sign In with Facebook. You will then be taken into the login page for Facebook if you haven't already logged into the Facebook app. So use your Facebook credentials and log into your account, and you will be asked whether you want to continue to log in using your Facebook. Simply tap on the Continue As button, and now after you tap on Continue, you will directly be logged into your account, and you can tap on it to continue logging in. And now you will regain access to your old account, and you will also gain back all of your progress. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Free Fire account using your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.